Hey everyone, Fatty from Packet Punch Traders here. Gonna do a quick video going over the top plays for tomorrow, September 20th. First video of the week. I made one for yesterday, but had a hard time uploading it. So here we are. Let's take a look at ATXI. This is gonna be a top play again. It just keeps fading here, but it's a great pattern, multi-day bounce. We got that huge run up. We're way off the highs. It's definitely due for a bounce. So we'll keep looking at ATXI for that multi-day bounce. One that took forever that we finally got today, MGAM. This one I did not trade it, but we kept an eye on this for so long, and then this is it. We finally got it. It went from 230 to the low threes, offering that 30% move we typically talk about. So very nice to see that finally work out. So hopefully ATXI doesn't take as long, but that will be a play to keep an eye on. Then we got NRBO, same deal, multi-day bounce, thing going from sub 10 to 65-ish. And we did have a bit of a bounce on this one day where it gapped up big, but then didn't really do anything, just went sideways. Let's take a look at that. It tanked, as we talk about. We don't like to see that overextended gap up on these bounces. Not much fuel left for them. But now that it seems like it's still downtrending, there's more shorts in this probably after that decent gap up. I'll be looking for a multi-day bounce on NRBO again, so keep that on watch as well. Then we got ALLK. This was from yesterday, or sorry, from today. A few weeks ago we had this nice run up, but the lesson from like the other day that I made was about the volume and how we're looking for very strong volume to break over these candles that have a lot of volume behind it. That's really what we're looking for. For it to match, ideally be more than that. So here we are with a nice push on decent volume. Couldn't quite break out. Just got stuffed in the low sixes. As you can see, the difference in volume here. So if this thing fails to break down, continues, volume keeps up and picks up some more, this could be a nice 631 breakout over that candle. Looking for a quick dollar or so. But yeah, looking for that confirmation of the low to mid sixes. And if the volume is there, it could really turn out to be something good. As you can see here, very choppy. It had the move from the low five to low sixes. It just didn't have enough in it left to sustain a push higher. Made some higher lows, but ultimately got stuffed at this double top. But yeah, the key is really going to be looking for that confirmation with volume supporting it as well. Then we got PBLA, another multi-day bounce. Moving a bit here after hours, unfortunately. So we'll see how this ends up working out. It isn't that high volume, so we'll see what happens here. But this has had a nice move, going from 40 cents just below to tap one all in a day, and now we are way off those highs. So should be due for a bounce as well. Short covering, locking in profits, dip buyers coming in, whatever the case. We'll be looking for that quick 20 to 30% move. And another multi-day bounce, SPRO. So same deal here. Another one that's been taken forever, trying to bottom out constantly. So SPRO, probably just put an alert until we see some more out of it. But these other ones, ALLK, looking pretty good. PBLA already showing some signs of bounce here, so we'll keep an eye on that tomorrow, see how that works out. What was the other one? I guess those were the main two. Oh, and NRBO. I really like this one as well. I think this is due for another good bounce as well. Yeah, we'll just wrap it up there. Hope everyone had a good day. I didn't trade today. Just been focusing on coding and whatnot, but beside that, hope everyone learned something or made some money. We'll be back to it tomorrow. We'll catch you guys later.